So here's how the Tacoma sits right now. So the taillights didn't come with instructions, but I mean, basically you can take it out and see. It's gonna be 2 bolts, and it's basically this one and this bottom one, I believe. So they're 10 millimeter, just take them out and the taillight should pop right off. This is for the sequential, I believe. It's probably 2 different settings if you want the regular blinker or sequential. Then you've got 3 connectors here, so let's connect them up. Alright, before you connect it back to the car, you want to test it out. Make sure you got it on the right settings. Yep, there goes sequential. Make sure everything's working perfectly. Took like 10 minutes. It looks so much better than stock. So basically you're going to remove these 10 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove the clips, pop clips. 2, 3, 4. 1 by the headlight. 5, 6. The headlight just basically bolts on 1 clip here, these 2 10 millimeter, and this 10 millimeter over here. And to get access to that, I basically undid the 10 millimeter here, undid the 10 millimeter underneath the bumper, popped the first 3 clips of the over fender off, and then you can get access to the bumper. So when you're plugging in the connectors, make sure, you'll see some have like a green plug. It should line up with the OEM green plastic plug also. There's just low beam, high beam turn signal. If you want sequential, you just unplug this. When you're putting the headlight back on, make sure that, what I did, I had tape right here, and make sure that this outer lip goes over this piece of the fender. There's a piece of metal sticking out right here. Be careful because it will scratch up your headlight. Just keep an eye on that part. That's how it looks. Let's get this grill on. So basically, got to transfer the painted portion over. once you got the grill on, everything tightened, plug in your safety sense and then put the harness back into the holes that they were in the beginning. Should be good to go.